You want to learn how to rotate an object towards your mouse cursor? I'm here for you. Create a function on this one. There we're gonna look for order and set word rotation. There. On this one we're gonna put like find look at rotation, and let's first pose for player position. Let's get reference to self and get actor location. There get player controller. You search for project world to screen to project the actor location into the screen. So we got X and Y axes if I split this. So we put on this one for the target to get the mouse position. First of all, get player controller. On this one, get mouse position. As you can see, X and Y values. So make a vector because we don't need Z. Just put X and Y there and target there. And now our tank is scoping where mouse is on the screen.